Welcome back again. Today we are going to make something really different. Usually we are doing some Java and RESTful using Java and Spring Boot. But today we will make something new. We will make a RESTful API using Python. Yep, Python. Easy. It's oh, just shut up the Siri. I'm not talking to you. So, it's easy enough. You can use your preferred IDE. You can use VS Code. You can use any text editor. But for me, I always love to use JetBrains product. For this case, I'm going to use PyCharm. We are going to create a simple project. Yeah, create a project. Your Java. We will call it YouTube RESTful. Choose your environment management. Virtually env is preferred. Just wait a little bit. It's going to create our environment, prepare everything for us. So for building RESTful APIs, we are going to use a library based on Python 3 plus, 3.6 and up. It's called Sanic. So to go ahead and use this library, we are going to use pip install Sanic. Now, when it's finished installing, we will have the package ready. We are going to create a file. Let's call it app.py. Yep. So from Sanic, oops, let's just install it again from here. From Sanic, import Sanic. We are going to define an object, Sanic, and we are going to pass the name. Let's just call it YouTube RESTful. And using this object, which is the app, we have an access to already methods like routes, some extra configuration. Actually, you can hit the documentation to figure out what is available in Sanic. But for today, we are going to, just to keep it simple, we are going to create the API without talking about the library. So using the app, we can build a git mapping, and we can define the route. Let's say home, and it's an async def index. We are going to pass the request as a parameter, and Sanic actually provides a lot of things, like you have JSON mapping, Sanic responses, import JSON, and in here we are going to return, not request, return JSON. So I'm going to pass the JSON body through, let's just keep it simple, message, welcome to RESTful using Python. That's it, simple enough. Now we are going to create the server. Run host, it's going to be our local host, or simply binding to any ID, workers, 4 workers or 4 threads, port going to be 3000 for example. Yeah, that's it. Now to run it, because Sanic is based on Python 3, we cannot use Python. We should use Python 3, and we will pass the app.py. Simple enough. So let's hit the link using any browser, and oh yeah, let's hit, what was the link? Yeah, home. Here is it. Simple. Simple enough, huh? A RESTful API using Python. It took almost 5 minutes. It's really fast, really powerful. You can extend the RESTful API, you can integrate your database using SQL Alchemy. You can build blueprints to have like group of endpoints, like users endpoints, categories endpoints, dashboard endpoints, whatever your application needs. You can just create a blueprint, group your endpoints in there, build your logic in there, and you can connect that to your application. We will talk about this later. If you are really interested, just write down in the comments and I will prepare that for you. Fair enough, simple enough. See you next time. Bye bye.